Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start technique number 3, average. Average, technique number 3. Technique number 3 given, 3-1 given, if average of n observation is A, but the average become B when one observation is eliminated, then value of eliminated observation is n into a minus b plus b. If one observation is eliminated, the result is this: n into n plus a minus b plus b. So if average of n observation, number 2, if average of n observation is a, but the average becomes b when a new observation is added, then value of added observation is n into b minus a plus b. The formula is, if eliminate one observation, answer is n into a minus b plus b, and added one observation added, then n into b minus a. Here a minus b, we get here b minus a. Others same. This is the difference. So this is our shortcut method. Now let us consider one problem. The average weight of 21 boys was recorded as 64 kg. How many boys? 21 boys. What is the average weight? 64 kg. If the weight of the teacher was added, the average increased by 1 kg. If we adding a teacher, then average increased by 1 kg. What was the teacher's weight? What was the teacher? It's very interesting problem. So option given 86 kg, 64 kg, 72 kg, 98 kg, none of this. These are the option given. Now we solve this. So it was set in Bank Clerk 2011. Now we want to solve this problem. So the average weight of 21 boys. Solution is that here n equal to 21 was recorded 64 kg. A equal to 64 kg. This one. If the weight of a teacher was added, the average increased by 1 kg. So average increased by 1 kg. Then B equal to, originally average is 64 kg. B equal to 64 plus 1, 65 kg. This will be the average. Now our requirement is, what was the teacher's weight? Now we want to find weight of teacher equal to n into b minus a plus b, because this formula is b minus a, b is first because we adding one teacher. N means 21, b means 65, a means 64, and b means 65. This is 21 into 1 plus 65. This is 21 plus 65. This is 86 kg. So weight of the teacher is 86 kg. So option, this one, option A is the correct option. So this is our final answer. Very easy solution. Consider another problem. The mean weight of 34 students of a school is 42 kg. If the weight of the teacher be included, the mean rises by 400 gram. Find the weight in kg of the teacher. The option given 66, 56, 55, 57. These are the option given. Now we want to solve this problem. So what are given here? Here n equal to 34 and a equal to 42, b equal to 42 plus 4, 42.4 kg, this one, because 400, if you convert in, this is 400 gram, if we convert in kg, then 400 by 1000 gram, this is 4 by 10, 0.4 kg, we get this 0.4 kg plus 42, then we get this. Now our requirement, find the weight of the teacher. The weight of the teacher, equal to n into b minus a plus b. This one. N means 34, b means 42.4 minus 42 plus b 42.4. 34 into 0.4 plus 42.4, and 34 into this is 16, this is 12, 13.6, we get 13.6 plus 42.4, and this will be 0, this is 5, 6, 4, 5, 56. So answer we get 56 kg. So we get the answer is 56 kg. This is our answer. So option B is the correct option. Very easy solution. This is nothing. Consider another problem. The average monthly income of 4 earning members of a family is rupees 7050. One member passes away and the average monthly income becomes 6500. What was the monthly income of the person who is no more? So solution, what are given here? A, here n equal to 4, A equal to rupees 7350, B equal to rupees 6500. This is elimination method. We consider first formula, this one. Therefore, monthly income of the person who is no more, equal to, formula is n into a minus b plus b. First formula we consider. N is 4, A is 7350, B is 6500 plus 6500, and 4 into this minus this, then we get 850 and plus 6500, and if we multiplying this is 0 0 3400 and plus 6500, and if we adding these two, then we get this is 0 0 0 0 and 99. So this one 9, this one 9, 9900 our answer. So option C is the correct option. Very nice solution. These are nothing. Just you have to remember in the question, if elimination or addition. If add, then we using this formula. If elimination, we using this formula. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.